Secrets to Orderflow. In this lecture, I'll be talking about what Orderflow is, how we can determine Orderflow with the help of theory arrays. First, what is Orderflow? Orderflow is a way to identify smart money's next move, or we can say it is a way to understand how smart money delivers price based on liquidity and periods. Key components in Orderflow is displacement, one-sided strong movements, aggressive movement, imbalance, gaps left behind, liquidity, equal highs and lows, swing points, position highs and lows, buy stops, sell stops, value. Orderflow direction. What Orderflow reveals? Orderflow reveals price is likely to go next to where smart money is accumulating or distributing. Side of the market is weak and about to get engineered into a stop run. That trend is likely to continue onward. Purpose of using Orderflow is to trade with the smart money and understand where are they adding up orders and where they are taking liquidity. So, what are PD arrays? PD arrays are premium discount building blocks smart money uses to deliver price. PD arrays help us to gauge order flow. PD arrays are specific balances that help us to determine the order flow. PD arrays tells us direction order flow is likely to go to, where smart money is likely to build up order. First, there are 4 types of PD arrays. First one is an order block. The order block is the candle that takes out a swing low or a swing high and start displacing in the other direction. Candle color doesn't matter. It could be either a bullish candle or a bearish candle. Candle that takes the swing low originally where the liquidity was taken, and that candle is permanent. Candle shows smart money origin of intent. The next PD array in the sequence is the market structure, what we can call breakout. Candle that shifts the market structure is very important, as smart money shows its sequence in that candle. Is the exact point where smart money changes orders, breaks away, and causes a change in the state of delivery. Change in the state of delivery help us to navigate. So as you can see in the image, after the swing high is taken, price respects swing high, and the fair value gap, the candle that takes the swing high, before moving forward, before moving to the upside. In the sequences and imbalance, the candle that creates a gap or inefficiencies. This includes a Fiji, a liquidity void, volume imbalance. This shows where price must rebalance before continuation. As you can see in the image, after the swing high is taken, the candle that takes the swing high creates an effigy. After the effigy is created, price comes back to the effigy to balance it, continue forward. As you can see, after we take out the swing high, the candle that takes out the swing high acts as support. The candle that comes inside the imbalance also acts as support. So the candle that comes inside another PD array also becomes a PD array in itself. That's what we call a mitigation law. Now I'll be showing you how to use these theories and use these PDAs on a real chart so you can understand properly and use it as an advantage yourself. As I have told you, there are four types of PDAs. Let's talk about first the order block. How you can fully understand the order block is have daily highs, daily lows, session highs, the session lows. It can help you to determine the right order block. So here we are, hourly time frame. As you can see, Friday high was taken out by the Monday. As you can see, the London session 2 a.m. takes out the Friday high. This candle becomes prominent because it takes out a major high. Previous orders were taken by this candle. This candle becomes an order block. I can show you more examples of this. You can see Asia session taken out by London session 1 a.m. candle. The London session taken out by the Milan and price displaces upward. The candle that takes out the swing low acts as support. Right here, Monday's high was taken out by the Asian shift. The candle that takes out the high, this one, it acts as support for the lower time frame, as you can see. The next PDA is the break. So the swing low that is displaced through is very prominent. This candle that gets displaced through is very prominent. Also, the candle that displaces itself is also very prominent. As you can see, when the candle displaces, it creates an fair value gap right here too. Creates an fair value gap. So it becomes an A plus entry, high probability here. As you can see right here too, right displaces through it, creates an FVD right here. Candle gets displaced through is important. Also, candle that is displaced is also very important. The whole range, this price range is very important. That is a very important video right there. Next, we are going to talk about degradation blocks. The candle mitigates all the PDL. Like for example, this one, FBG was mitigated by this candle right here. So you can see this candle acts as an important PDA, acts as a support. This is just one example. Let me give you more. As you can see, this is a order block right there, which gets mitigated. The candle that mitigates the order block is this candle again. Acts as support again. You can see it happen multiple times. Even low time frames you see is very clear. The last fourth video array is an imbalance or a gap. So let's talk about fair value gap. Whenever a swing high is taken, outbound displacement creates a gap. Creates a gap. The gap that is created while placing is very important. So you can see swing high and a gap leads us to a high probability setup. Next time, again, swing low gets taken and the candle that displaces creates an orderflow. Creates an early gap and acts as support. Again, you can see low candle displaces. As we can put it, acts as support. I can show you multiple examples of this, like right here. Candle that takes out a low, takes out a high, creates an FVG, acts as support. Was not according to the order flow, but only went the high. Let's see more examples. Candle gets displaced lower. This is a liquidity void. Go on a lower time. You can mark this whole range. You can see the 50% of the range acts as support. So I've shown you multiple examples of video arrays and how to use. I hope you like this video, and I hope now I've showed you many examples, all the 4 video arrays to use them. But still, this was level 1. There will be 3 more videos to this, which I'll reveal all the secrets of the Orderflow. And I hope you like the video. And if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, share it with your